These are 2 sets of 3/4 length orthotic arch support inserts. I was sent a review from Oak. So let's take a look and try them out in a few different types of shoes. They come with an easy to understand visual guide of how to insert them and come with self-adhesive tape in case you need to stabilize the sole even more, but you don't need to. One thing that's so cool about these is they are 3/4 length, meaning you don't have to measure and cut them down to size. You just plop them right in and they fit in most types of shoes, but we're gonna test that out. It even says left and right on the bottom, no guessing required. These offer 30mm arch support. That's without the support. Look at that, just nothing there to help my high arch, and then it just fills that space and cradles it really nicely. Really supports the arch there. Here are the different shoes we're gonna try them in. First, we're gonna try them in my Dr. Scholl's, which have arch support, but not much. Throw one in here, gonna bring it back. Looks nice in there. That fits. With any lace-up shoe, it's gonna be super easy to get the right fit. That's amazing support, but it is hard, so it's gonna take some getting used to. It does recommend 2 to 3 hours max for the first few times till you get used to them. Next, we are going to try it in these slats. Don't forget, you can use a self-adhesive, so that fits also. I was concerned I wouldn't have enough space that it would squish here, but actually it fits exactly the same. We are 2 for 2. Next, we're gonna try in this UIN, which is a very low profile. So let's see how this does. That fits! I cannot believe it. Ooh, this is exciting. Finally, I'm gonna try it in a boot. This one, it has a heel, so I'm wondering if I will slide. That feels good. It's staying put. I'm really surprised. I don't even think that I need the adhesive, even in the heeled boot. Very surprised. It fit all 4 shoes perfectly. These are so amazing. The material feels like kind of a hard plastic. It's not memory foam. It's like real support, and are marketed as helping those suffering with a ton of issues, including plantar fasciitis, flat feet, high arches, heel valgus, knee pain, XO legs, tendonitis, anterior pelvic tilt, lumbar strain, and more. I love the 3/4 length, not only because you don't have to cut it, but it's also not gonna go under your toes, so it's not gonna squish them or anything. Love that. They come in 3 sizes, good for women's size 5, men's 3.5, up to women's size 12, men's 11.5. So be sure to check the sizing chart on the product page, but here is a medium and a large, for example. The large is just ever so slightly longer, just barely, but again, you don't need to cut these down, and they are 3/4, so honestly, I think you don't have to worry about the sizing too much.